Hi there, today I'm going to discuss about the concept of shorting. Shorting is just another terminology of selling. So the concept of shorting simply means this. I want you to imagine that a piece of mango at this point in time is worth $10. I, on the other hand, believe that there's oversupply of mangoes. And I'm seeing that there's an opportunity that mangoes would potentially drop to perhaps around $4 or even $5. But I don't have any mangoes to sell except for this one mango. So what I'm going to do is that I know that John has a lot of mangoes. He's got 10,000 mangoes at this point in time. And so I'm going to go to John and say, hey John, I want to borrow 1,000 mangoes basically from you, and in return I'm going to pay you a 10% interest. John agrees to it. And then I've met Mary. Mary, on the other hand, believes that mangoes is worth about $15 to $20. A piece of mango is worth $15 to $20. So I'm selling my 1,000 mangoes to Mary at $10 a piece. So the transaction has been made. I received $10,000 out of thin air, and all of a sudden, mangoes start to drop. 1 week later, it's now worth $5. Now, I have to return the 1,000 mangoes back, right, to John. So I'm gonna go back to Mary and say, hey Mary, I'm gonna buy your 1,000 mangoes at $5. Here's $5,000. So Mary received $5,000. I paid $5,000, but out of that $10,000 that I received from Mary, and I gave $5,000 to Mary when I bought it back, so I just profited $5,000. And then I'm gonna return the 1,000 mangoes back to John with 10% interest. So out of that $5,000, I'm paying John $1,000, and that is shorting. So if you like this short video, please click like or subscribe to our channel. And if you need to know more, please visit our website at www.estetrader.com. Or if you need one-on-one coaching, email us at estetraders@gmail.com or the link below. Thank you and have a great day. Happy trading.